Today I am changing carburetor for Hedge Trimmer. Both are same Hedge Trimmer. I tried to clean the carburetor and put it back, but it didn't work. I changed the new carburetor and my trimmer started to work perfectly fine. Today I will change the carburetor for the other Hedge Trimmer as well. Before starting the work, make sure fuel tank is empty. I am removing filter cap and it has a missing filter. Next, I am checking the fuel lines. Fuel lines are also not good, so I need to replace the fuel lines as well. I'm going to remove the carburetor and after that I will remove the rest of the fuel line. I am using the Phillips screwdriver to remove these two screws. It is always good practice to take a picture how the things will go back. This is the gasket which is almost gone and other gasket is missing which is supposed to be go right there. I already ordered a carburetor from Amazon. It come with air filter, fuel line, carburetor only for $14 and there are few primer bulb as well inside. I am removing the old fuel line from the pump. It easily came out. If it was a good fuel line with the proper rubber, it will never come out that much easy. New fuel lines pipe will be longer, so make them shorter as needed. New fuel line will not install very easily. So what I'm doing is I am inserting it as much as possible from one corner and then I will use a flat screwdriver to put the rubber in. It's not going to be still easier. It will take a lot of effort. Next step is to install the carburetor. There are two gaskets came with it, so need to install both of them. There are holes on each side. Make sure your gasket align with the hole. Make sure when you install the things back, it should be in the same order as you remove them. Now I am going to install the fuel line. Every filter will be having one inlet and the other one outlet. Install it back in the same order. If line is bigger, cut it. If you're not buying the original carburetor, maybe the inlet and outlet fuel lines won't be in the same order. Make sure to check the correct order and then attach the fuel line. This is the air filter came with the kit. I'm putting this one. Next step is to fill up the gas. I already have a mixed fuel. I'm adding into the fuel tank, pressing primer bulb few times so fuel can come in it. I had experience in the past when I bought a new carburetor and I was pressing the primer bulb, fuel was not coming in it. If that's the case, return that carburetor and order a new one. Before starting the engine, I am putting the throttle cable. I hope issue will be resolved. Engine has been started. If you like this video and help you to resolve your issue, give a like to the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.